Now we're going to work on the linkage peg. So we will, do not mean to do that. And again, mistakes, they're okay. We will just delete it. We'll rename this. And this is another revolve. We did a similar part before. We're going to do like the same concept. We're going to do the basic outline of it and then dimension it after. So that height is 3.25, sorry. This height here is 0.25. The slant radius is 1.625, which makes this distance here 0.1625. Sorry, I messed that up. 0.1562. And then this distance here is 0.0625, but we'll divide that by 2 because we're only doing this 1/2. Yep. And then we will do an arc. 0.1562. Finish that. And then do a simple revolve. Linkage peg, done.